Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to separate name and email ID copied from Outlook and to move the data in Excel. I copied email ID to Notepad where both name and email ID are available and separated by semicolon. Open Excel. Now go to data, click on drop down next to get data, go to from file and select from text CSV option. Select the file and click import button. Now in the dialog, all the data is available in different columns separated by space. In delimiter, select semicolon. Now all the data of a single person is available in separate columns. Now click on Transform Data button. It will open Power Query Editor. Now go to Transform tab and click on Transpose button. All the data are converted from column to row. Now the name and the email ID is separated by less than character. So to separate, go to Split Column option under text column. Select first option by delimiter. Now in split column by delimiter dialog, keep custom option in the first drop down. Select less than sign, select leftmost delimiter and click OK. The first column is now showing name and the second column is showing the email ID. But the email ID still contain the greater than sign. So select this column, click on replace values, enter greater than sign, keep replace with option blank. Now click OK, greater than sign is removed. We got the name and email ID in different columns. Go to Home tab and click on Close and Load button. Now you will get the email ID and name in separate columns. So in this way you can separate name and email IDs and import to Excel. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of these videos. Thanks for watching.